Ross, you ready?
Oh yeah.
Hi, welcome to Sailrite. It's spring here in Indiana and it's time to start getting ready for our boating season. With that, we have got a test in mind for everybody with our new Sattler product line that we are going to be promoting through here at Sailrite. Seth and Eric have been kind enough to create a new bimini for us, and it is the antique beige that we're going to put to the test. We're going to start throwing some water and other products on there that you might find on your everyday life out there in the boating world. What is Sattler? Sattler is a 100% solution dyed acrylic that we use in the boating industry. Today we are focusing on its stain resistance, water resistance, but it is also known for its mold and mildew resistance, UV and fade resistance, and stretch resistance. For this test, I'm going to stay up here nice and dry and safe, while my partner's going to be down below, and we're going to pitch a few things over the top just to see how it works.
Hey guys, how's it going? Make sure you subscribe to this because I'm putting myself at risk here, so that's why I got this. Here we go. Oh, and it saved me already.
Okay, for this first test, we'll throw a little water on top, just like it would be if it were raining or storming outside. Ross, you ready?
Oh yeah.
Just like a heavy rainstorm. Look, it beaded right off. Water worked well. Now we're going to move on to a pseudo adult beverage, maybe like a wine or something like that. Here at Sailrite, we're not drinking on the job, so we're going to do something a little less potent. So nothing stains more than a red sauce of some form. Why don't we try a little juice? So here we go.
It's juice time.
A little red stuff. Beading off. Doesn't look like it's sticking anywhere.
I'm happy to be under here.
Let's put some green stuff on there, see what happens. For you sailors out there, it looks like a bad night, but it's not staining. All right, after our quick little test with some pseudo-adult beverages and our little kitty juice, I got a little mixture of everything out here and it looks pretty good. I don't see any stains developing and it looks like it's about ready to be washed off. All right, as you guys can see, Ross is doing his job on the top side now. Just a simple hosing off and everything's coming off nice and clean. Now, Ross is getting a little wet, so we need to teach him how to run a hose, it looks like. Nice and clean. Everything came off as it's supposed to. Saturday morning, got a little pancake going on, so how about a little syrup? Let's try the syrup on top. We're gonna give it a double barrel effect here, see what happens. See if Ross is ready to add a little syrup to his pancakes and yeah, a little bit more. Let's do some chocolate too. Everybody likes chocolate on their pancakes. Ooh. Picasso, eat your heart out.
Ready?
Water. All right, Ross is working it over. Seems to be just spraying off. A little sticky, but it's spraying. Might need to do a little agitation with it. That's a testament, guys. Just a simple hose and it's all coming off. Ross has a real nozzle. It'll probably come off a lot faster, but it's coming off. So much for this morning's breakfast. Well, we've got breakfast out of the way, so why don't we just skip lunch, go straight to dinner? How about a little steak sauce on there? I know it's a little odd, but you know, things do happen weirdly out in the water. So we're just gonna try a little steak sauce. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna move up here a little bit just so to avoid some of the breeze that we had last time.
Ooh, smells like steak.
Not as good as the last, but it still looks pretty. Steak sauce. Nope. Oh, it stinks.
Coming toward you.
Smell it from here. You can see we had more of an oily substance in there, which kind of left some replications of maybe an animal, bird dropping, flying over, something like that, which is going to take a little more effort to get cleaned out. So in a situation like this, you can see it's still wet, but I'm now going to add a little dish soap solution to it with a scrub brush and kind of work it all off, and it will come off. All right, we've got good results. A little more work on it. After giving it a quick shot. Liking it. A little effort, a little elbow grease, everything works out. Granted, this was not a scientific test, but we hope you understand why we did it. This is typically a real world type of situation, and we wanted to prove to you that Sattler is an ideal fabric for dodgers, your biminis, your other canvas work that you may have in mind. It does withstand the elements. It does withstand staining. We're not fortunate enough to have a bird fly by and do its thing, but it does everything we want it to do. So if we can help you out with your Sattler questions and products, and for your other projects that you're wanting to do, please let us know. We're happy to help. Sattler's wealth of benefits and features make it the ideal fabric for many of our outdoor projects, including bimini tops, T-tops, dodgers, marine exterior cushions, sail bags, sail covers, other covers and enclosures, awnings, wire-hung canopies and pergolas, weather cloths, boat windshield covers, and many, many more.
All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of stuff, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll bring you some more videos like this, because this was fun, wasn't it? Thanks for watching.